You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
We are pleased to show you the 2019 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, traction control, stability control, power passenger seat, running boards, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.